open to that kind of a conversation where men are talking about periods, but men are talking about periods this way. I wish I could be this open when I was that young. She just walks up to me and she's like, "Didn't you take that pill to delay your period?" I was like, I felt violated at that time. It's like getting a tattoo, painful and totally unnecessary. There was this particular incident that happened at my workplace. I guess I was having a bad day with my manager, and I just, just said something to his face, and I walked past him, and he just screamed on top of his voice, "Oh, that time of the month." So I felt, and I saw that everybody else heard about that. I was certainly not on my period on that day, but I was shamed about having a period and having a mood swing pertaining to that period. Those months, my periods are usually very, very painful. I don't know why, but then they're very painful during the month of July, August. So I just had gotten my period. I didn't have enough sanitary pad in my storage. I went to this shop, and it was a typical Kirana shop where there was this uncle and his nephew standing out there, and the nephew could be around 16. Okay, so I just went there and I was like, whisper dena bhaiya. And then the boy started giggling. And I was in crazy pain. I was like, I felt defeated in a way. I don't know why I felt that. I felt defeated. I was like, all this education, all this, doing, studying a lot, working hard, and, being so helpless at that point in time that he wouldn't give me a sanitary pad that I want, I need, without laughing on my face. So I think that's something, has to change about our society. I I hope things are better now because there are home delivery platforms, and I'm very thankful to home delivery platforms for that, because that incident particularly left a scar. Because now every time I go to a store to get a sanitary pad, I tend to have that fear. Will that happen to me again? Will that happen to me again? But yeah, I feel safe with this online delivery platforms because they can deliver your sanitary pad to your home. Yeah. Usually when I get my period every month, I'm usually very angry. And I have this certain, vengefulness towards the opposite gender, thinking that they are never gonna have this, they are not gonna go through this pain ever, and I'll have to relive it every month, right? So anything, any kind of interaction actually infuriates me a lot. So yeah, I think in first 2 3 days I'm pretty angry and pretty feminist, I would say. This particular puja that was happening, and I was supposed to perform certain rituals, and I just got happened to get my period on that particular day. And my aunt-in-law just walks up to me and she's like, "Didn't you take that pill to delay your period?" I was like, I felt violated at that time. I was like, this is my body, my period, and I'm supposed to delay taking a pill. And even like medically, trying to delay it with a pill sounded pretty wrong to me. So, yeah. People are growing open to that kind of a conversation where men are talking about periods, but men are talking about periods this way, in a more hostile form of a way. They're using it to attack somebody. I think that kind of modern society, I think I don't want to move to that kind of a modern society now. I want to move to a society where men are aware that women have periods, and they might have mood swings, they might want a leave. Okay, like people talking about period leaves. I don't know, like, how prevalent is that right now. I have never seen a company having a period leave. I don't know. I've never seen an HR coming and talking to me that, okay, you're a woman employee, so we have period leaves for you. No, I don't think it's that prevalent. It was very painful, and also, like, I felt that there's no going back from this. My body has changed forever, and it's never going to be the same again, right? Whether it's the pain, whether, my period obstructing my regular plans with friends or anything, I'm just not going to go back from this. That's what I felt.